Literally all day yesterday and today. It's like one of the most relaxing, fun things that I enjoy doing. I only have one laundry basket though, and I've realized in the last 48 hours that having more than one is a really beneficial thing. Maybe you want to have two of them so that you have, we have a brand of like athletic clothes that we wear that we wash individually on its own because it's got like special wash instructions to it. So have one where you just put that inside of one of your baskets, and the other one can be like for the everyday. This is a great way to be able to organize all of your clothes, but also it stacks together. So look at how this is going to actually pop right out. And so we have what are two of them that are coming included with this, and it's a little like a silicone on the inside of here that you just simply push out, and then that gives you your laundry basket base. But when you don't need it anymore, you're able to take it and then just collapse it back down. They stack into one another, so putting them maybe like in between the laundry machine and the washer or the dryer, that's a great way to be able to do it. Maybe using these when you're going to a dorm for college students, this is amazing. I remember having my laundry basket literally take up the whole back seat. Instead, you can collapse this down if there's nothing in it, but let's be honest, when you're going off to college, there's always something in it. They're also great just to be able to transport different things. Maybe you want to use this to have extra throw pillows like what we have right here that are maybe holiday themed. And so you want to keep those on like a shelf downstairs. This is really going to hold a lot. You are getting two of them here today, and they really come down to just $12.50 each on this clearance price of $24.99. You could put this on an easy payment of $8.33. Normally, this would be $37, so we're saving $12 today to be able to bring this home on this clearance price for two. You do have your choice in colors, though. This one here is your blue. And of course, the color is going to be referring to that inside of what is like a silicone type of material. You also have it in the gray. And then I had it over here in the white. Your easy payment is $8.33. Your use cases of this truly become unlimited. If you want to use it for laundry, that's fantastic. If you want to use this for other little storage things, maybe it's stuffed animals, maybe it's going to be those little building blocks and bricks that you have that your kids love, you can put all of that right in here. But more than anything, it helps make carrying whatever is on the inside easy to be able to carry around using those handles. They're also super lightweight when there's nothing in it too. So everything that we just had on the table, I was able to put right into this. You can stack these onto shelves. Maybe it's in the garage. Maybe it's going to be in a storage unit. I have a little storage unit in my basement of my house where we put all of our extra stuff in. But I love that when it collapses down, it takes up such little space. So if you do want to have this right there in your laundry room, it's great. If you want to use this for maybe a small apartment, maybe you just downsized, and this would be a really great reason to be able to pick up these. You get two of them. I also like the idea of maybe having one like in a guest room, or I have a hot tub in my basement and or like right outside the basement. Putting one of these down there for the towels from that helps organize everything. And you're being organized at $24.99. So that's a great item to pick up on while we have a set of two on clearance.